Amanjo muriri on Ndizi TV na nene chinga kichindo chingi ngo kware ne asemesa yeito ya mangana Amayia nene asi Chinsa Isano Ibere chaboniga ngonogo semerikwana kwa abeire nomoko kurumambia gosini go wacha kalituko ya anne ekereka seni kya Ndizi TV ya koretere meremo osemerweri sabato korwase kanisa ya Adventista ya Kionyo ya kinyoro abuno ababwatani baito barenge hanene bakoreteire mangana yige kanisa korwa Chinsa mejibona nene jinga kichine ngo korusya sense meri ya kinyoro ngoreta semesa mangana Amayia ye Chinsa Isano Ibere ringo manyina araritwa ndere kugosangeri kuria kakete goikaboniga ekarori tukuria chimamos chitarike 20 na Ibere umutinyino y'ikomi umwaka w'ijirubere na 2022 gona kwaria ni asenjera ya bene obena inche goika omwelio ende ngomanyina araritwa gosangeri kuria kakete goikaboniga bana botambire derane Brighton Makori. Omugabana we county ya Kisii Bauro Simbarati ni gabana tebiruna ni agenda kubeke merobiri kwenda kibona county ya Kisii nkomesere ase miaka arabe asobisi usarabo bokorali ase county ya Kisii boyo Simbarati oyo kwande litukuregoro ekerekeranita samatanga ya masense meri ya motonto ase bunge ya obasi ni gabona ichanete ngana buna abakori meremo be serikali ya county ya Kisii konyembaro bakori enibe nyinge wetera buna epin yo monto yomo nabo ekari gwakana abantu abange mesara iyo ya ireire county ya Kisii gotaka korende nigateruna ni ochikubeke merobiri ya bene gokoro mochando wobokurumi eri county ya Kisii emese gochesa matuko halebosyo
county ena ikorro county ekwaora kende nkeyo imeshahara towa kana imeshahara ya milioni 420 abantu mbakora riziki mbai mondo yomo abwate chi account ikesonge nga one ID number ika produce chi pin 192 iko mondo yomo na boranyo gakoli mishahara y'abantu 100 na gendo ebinene lakini rende na amwiri na inchi na ngaki lazima ndosi Gusii yaite ebengia
ase jinga geje mugabana arati ni gata ya meroberio ya bekiro ase county ya Kisii anena asobotene bwaye erigo chokini birengo byegisemi anena asizikuru chobobundi ase county ya Kisii
Polytechnic moinogaiga na tebirengo bekande chibesoro abantu manye egasi yokoboko barosi kisuguli barosi mirangu barosi bamanye ko korosi no na amache kosona ekera basaye baito bonds ntoko babekase chipikipi amra be chipikipi bonsi ipi nkorosi tole esakeli yabo nabarubu babe bantu
abana boda kuru mugumo hime ya nyako ni gobono bacha kirie keganja barachiko gacha chibeze cyabo bunenjire yemo yokwe genderi gukwana abana boda buni batebne nere njire yemo bawochikwena kuna ngwegenderi bari gochesa matkari bosyo asebo go banyarire bagotogi abateneni babo asogo chaki umurobe oyo
Totuare sako abambera abamanyire ngambaro rase system ya NTSA batware license nando abwate amatikali apara ngaite ngaino aro muganda gento gya kabere ndotagete twekonye twimukiki biashara kwa mfano bona asela funding gochere asela funding yo president una yatebeta igoro yatete ngakika abantu bebe kama
because Germany chavere kurumaya gagaiga totana corona no more wastage lakini goetre Germany oitonsongo egasi akore negasi akore kana no isekole stage chi nyinge obo maya nento bwati program ngabune yega
abawasiri abachore abubaigete ase kamati eri ekobaringori ase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo bono barireira yogochikora emeroberio yabo buya anene kero bagwetua ne kamati eyo yanyarete kobaringori abu ritiko rigoro bakora wano yora chikotenenera kamati gusora chikotenenera ensemo yobochenu Dr. Mbati nigo bono bateberuna baisegwetigwa ne kamati eyo na barachikora bokoreri buya ase kaunti ya Nyamira.
I felt if given the opportunity I will come and promote, like our vocational training schools.
Amayia, a fund ever set aside, and in that fund which is set aside, it will have continuous supply of drugs. Replenish.
Ekeri kamati eri yoko barinkori abawasiri banyarete bagachorwa n'umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ritukuri goro mugwasiri umuchore bwegisemi sekeri majogu nigegete ase kamati eyo asate betabuna nigo arachikuganya ebirengererio bye task force eri yarostiwe n'umurai bwense rikoriria mangana CBC erinde bachikuru ebirengererio byabo nanda chikuru omwerekeo obwo omuroberio yo CBC asense to ya Kenya salietera buna tagoji gwanju omuroberio yo onyale goko bairera baiboli otumie nibe nyinge asengenjo y'omuroberio yo o CBC.
I'm a parent in this country about the new system of CBC, and people are anxious, and of course because of that anxiety and the concerns voiced by the many Kenyans about this system, it was within the wisdom of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, to appoint a prudential working party with very clear terms of reference, so that they can be able to get views and comments from each and every Kenyan, say that once they have been able to come with a clear recommendation, then ask government and Minister for Education, I will be able to get a roadmap. Of course, the way Madam has said, Honorable Madam, it is clear that parents sometimes are complaining of the expense, that it is a system which is capital intensive, such that they are required to buy so many things. And our system, and I want to assure members, will not like anything that is going to be so costly to their parents.
Azajinga gejejo esekiri majaguni garwetege kurege tindigo chia sebari baraba bakurumi ase sector gose sector yichisemi gose ase wisara yichisemi nigatebde na kara iguri baga ko jikobo mu wasiri bwichisemi niyo jikwene kuno bokorero buyanko babora ase chisemi boiga bakurumi bajikorera litukori tambe buna bagochikotoka ase sector yo yichisemi.
Honorable Chairman, I'm a bottom-up person. I understand the government system, I know the way it operates, and in case there are cuts in that ministry, I think it is time for them to start packing and going elsewhere. Because with Machogu at the helm of that ministry, if there is anything I will not allow, I will like value for money, shilling by shilling, and we will be able to do very proper monitoring so that we don't lose any money at all.
Kamati iyo yebunge honoenderete kubaringori abawasiri abachore bari bachore tunumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ritugo oliarero bagenderera kubaringori na kubaburi amabori bari bachore tuchase biruge bya sirituko oliarero oyo rekubori wa mabori igati ya Simeon Cherugui oyoika asensemeyo na kwerera narali agochikokora nere ase wisara ya cooperatives and SMEs ekeroikera sige ikaro ekyo.
Have you ever been charged and convicted of an offense in a court of law?
Not yet.
Not yet. Are you a dual citizen of the Republic of Kenya and any other sovereign?
I'm only a Kenyan citizen, Chair.
Do you have your original identity card?
Yes, I do, Chair.
You will show it to the clerks. At your personal level, what is your financial net worth?
Chair, my net worth is 993 million shillings.
993, segregated as?
I have a dairy plant, I have houses, the residence that I live now, and rental houses in Nairobi, and also I'm a farmer. I keep cows, dairy and beef.
We'll now open the conversation, and you have your 10 minutes or less to tell us your story.
Azajinga gejejo Simeon Jerugui na nyaraga kuborigwa ngakyo kina kwaye kwenibo kwabeire gosinande na nyare ngwa kana renge bango ekerokonye haromokoreri gosekonye keraro mu wasiri ya serikali ya Jubilee kolende nande niganyora libagalinde keromura ibwense Dr. William Ruto hamochora nande gochikobase barasara mawasiri aye kolende nigo yamobera chinga chingo ngwekaro aba bali batenete kamati yokuboria mabori bamobori na aherere sekonye nkwakanale nibo gosebango asenseto ya Kenya.
Payment of his taxes, and maybe as his answer is that he has demonstrated to us that within the last 5 years his increase in net worth was about 200 million. Probably he can demonstrate to this committee whether he has paid taxes for that increase in his net worth of 200 million in the last 5 years.
Chair, the difference in my net worth, majority of these assets tabulated here, which are the same assets that I tabulated in 2018, have appreciated in value. These are lands and buildings that I bought at that time, and over 5 years they have appreciated. Even if you did a general appreciation, you will still arrive at the same figure without enumerating the numbers. But for example, a land that was valued in my rural home, my county in Mogotio, then was about 100,000. Another 100,000 per acre, another one 50,000 per acre. We now have a tarmac. The land has appreciated. Now it's 350.
Neli tuko helimo rioka lietirege somora ibwense Dr. William Ruto koraba Kenya gochengera lituko le masuchade korendo muraiwe kiama gia ODM gia gwaiba Kalonzo Musyoka ni gobono amochirie serikali ya Kenya kwanza nene enkwana yomuraiwe nsanyarika okwana bwoli tuko lia aramisi karo NCR gochengera masuchade korengana Kalonzo ni gatebiruna Ruto tanyarika okwanira amangana aliarenge tomo Kenya obotambe na ndarera chigo konya kuimuka birengo bibogima ebikorengana bya kongire asensito ya Kenya.
At the event, President Ruto made a long list of declarations, including specifics on the Hustler Fund and how it will operate, irrigation, housing, universal health care, probe into the DCI, afforestation, among others. I think I've already planted over 300 trees, so I may want to lay claim on that pronouncement. But good as it is actually made in a manner that is very discomforting. The President, as a head of state and government, exercises the executive authority of the Republic with the assistance of the Deputy President and the Cabinet Secretaries. The Constitution does not give leeway to the President to impose decisions on the country just because he is the President. As far as Kenyans know, Ruto has no cabinet.
Habarai beji kanisa ni gobono batebiru na murai bwense Dr. William Ruto na bwato bosibore bwoko bachora bali baochikobase barasa ramawasiri kolende ni gobaba boliri bali bakobalingo lina kubabolia maswali gotangira bali babwate chimbwa chimbe gosiba bwate obokurumi goswase barase yu ya mawasiri ni gobono baba bolina banyare bakobatukutira isiko bali babwate chimbwa chimbe ekarwanda kubalingo li abawasiri bali banyare bakochorwa na Dr. William Ruto yoro murai bwense.
To any key position, first of all, is the prerogative of the President. That's the first point. Secondly, the president has the right to appoint someone he can work with. But the third one is simple. He has to be sensitive to all Kenyans. Because first of all, the president is not going to pay these people from his pocket. These people are going to be paid by the public fund. And to that effect, the issue of integrity comes first before everything else. Our proposal is that no one should be given any state appointment if that person has gray areas. That is questionable. That is our position. It is unfortunate some judicial officers still run their offices with impunity. Kenyans are shocked at the speed with which the ODPP has of late been withdrawing cases associated with people who are well connected amidst condemnation of others by high-ranking government officials.
Asenze meri yejigosoria ni gekemina no kyobosani gati ya Global Connection FC korwari goma amona Gusii FC banyarete bagotiemana as timu ya Gusii FC anyarete geko yikora Global Connection chigori nya serige na aliesagero ka ukwana nigetaseni Candice TV Duke Mageto yoro mokoji o Global ni gatogetie ngoye yo aseba ona tebetumne ngoye yo nigo yabasegetede asojo koromokia asjigosori chirebosio nigo mogosori yo ya goseretwe asense meri ya mosojo Samayan
Mupira leo obeiro muya compared to the other days na actually unatua quality season we have been out, so this is our first match and tuanyako irana back to the training, so nkageretenga ya tokonyirake we tuarore the mistake toko irana to the training, we will work on the mistakes tuarore in between and then togendere. So we have lost 4-0 lakini we have learned because wana wantu wale NSL na babera set training for long, so nimependa vijana wamejituma. So in the second half actually Gusii have toka because of the training, but we'll work on it.
Ase challenge ya lero datakata amna to exposed regionals kwenye to waka mbono togendrete precision ya ansire, so to achire friend ndanga nyigaiga to ake to rango ngai to bento improve before erigeta resume. So datakata challenge ya abeire engia of course to itiro lakini ne to bento ko training to mentake to team to ngwa kanere waka irigere gormono, lakini next portion ya to anyore to rodirasta bene na kitobento waka na kitobento ko move na kitobento ko kufunga chigori. So game ya next ngarte na to konyora to bangira bya nandi in case to konyora chance ne ya waka ne team yiga nandi na to kuchaga iga to bange to na kinantanyara machibare
Kasimu otieno korwa Gusii FC nerna togatia gosorie yo yobosani asade duna na barabo ni gobanyorire chinguru chugo chuguyari ganibuya korengana ne kimina ne kibanyarete bagwa kasensemeyo ya mosojo.
Opponents tumecheza nao wamemakinika sana, ni wazuri sana and tumefanya tumelana a lot again, tumelana a lot. Hizo goals tumefunga ilikuwa pia mzuri, but tukiangalia opponents wetu walikuja kwa friendly match wakijua nini wamekuja kufanya. Ukiangalia plan zetu za zoezi ama preparation kwa ligi, so far tuko kwa 4th week, tumeworkia on a lot of technical ability ya players, tumework on a lot of physical ability ya players na tactically kidogo. Unapata in terms of possession tulikuwa tunaangalia in terms of possession but not finishing. Hatuja work on finishing sana, tunaangalia possession. So ukipata goals zote tumefunga ilikuwa a lot of build ups, ambapo hiyo ni plus kwetu, inamaanisha tunaendelea vizuri. Tukikam sasa next week itakuwa a very different thing.
Mebano no majumuri ya soka nda kubwati Ndizi TV na Robinson Husi abano to ikomweri wa mangana itama Chinsa no Ibere konde nyona chikora ga Chinsa 14 kwira na SMS mangana mayeri nkwere na radio twente kusankuliga ga kiete go ikachinsa icho to mocha gotobwati gosikoenda kubwati mirobiri itu aseka kirobosioni go chiko swa somorobiri orumba sibali banjete rumba igogendera kubwati mirobiri ya Ndizi TV nero bwansu bo Gusii nyona nabokanda gotobwati asense meli ye mitandao asense mo ya Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega asense mo ya YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News ko nyajinga kito tweet @Ndizi TV News bo wekerengel kyao yotogere ndikirenza kireta kagwetera senamba ira seskini ya warabu oyonkonya sense media ndego soyorenka sense mo ye studio kwena kipinde bintu byonsi byagoche ira senjera ya bena mariuya monechibija Abigail Nyanchama Nigeriane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bwo Gusii. Jumapili mambia Chinsa 12 goika Chinsa isato chia mambia nigo bono ya muganigwe asumurubilio bwoko motogyo monene umurubilio bwege singa na presenta vini
ekero kwa bwokire ni maite na andake obutuko bwa umbwarenge andake kwa bwatibirengere binde andake ayakorekana kerige kaba ekekaba kolende ayonsi gotoko yakora asumurubilio bwege singa aiga no toko gochakiryo bwanso bwa senchera ere engi ya kegima
amatera yoko motogyo monene amarandia amatera matindi top 7 at 7 nabuyo chinkwana cheyemo aseyemo asomoteria wanchete negatiyari urabi gukonyora
toma ya kwatebyo mwana tigako imoki yeso nerot omwana no ngimokirie korunse gochi igoro korwekerenge kemo gochi asekendo anya no musamaria nyasango gotomera ro musamaria ekero togusasima amonaye ritukerigeria Jumapili
nabuyo chinkwana cheyemo aseyemo asomoteria wanchete
ikinuliwa wezi pingango
tware tariki iriyo nyari gunchuria Jumapili yao asomorubrio bwege singa na presenta vini
monene nerot yeso
mutaka wikota nenge bakali aye mutaka wikota nenge bakali ya mutaka
omurigereria asamangana yugo saseria nakorolekana komesete kigima busi bwabande richi bunerimo Palamax Executive Spa and Baba ekeneke nyosi asuku gingirwa emetindo au yekerero nakorolekana komesete boigo mbabwato bukorelibwa massage magiga yuko gingirwa nagokorerwa steam bath bedikiwa na manikiwa usokoroisigwa chinchara chamagoko namaguru nakurusigwa sangwa liririo mire na litali korolekana buya onye bwanchete gonchori yetuke yao chirangi na korolekana nomo ngusoke gima ika Palamax Executive Spa and Baba nigo bagotoka imiyumu chokisi asamagacho akwanza plaza rirongoria kabere asepara ya Kisii Migori highway gusoba kiresime asenamba enoti Isano na Ibere enoti kianda Isano na Ibere inye Isano na Ibere Isano nemo Isano na isato eyemo Palamax Executive Spa and Baba Twaichanire kuralia owo kwa Peter Waro Aruya nigale omwana o Francis Matakore Aruya na Marita Kerubo Aruya kurwike nyoro kya matongo Kyogoro Division Nyaribari Chache Kisii Central nigale omogaka bwomongina Jen Kemunto Waro nyagosira nigale bamwabo nyagosira Nyatuka nyagosira Joseph nyagosira Kemunto nyagosira Lawrence Okengo Mary Charles Okengo Mogeni Onsate Tom Otenyo Ongeri Pamela Gesare Teresa Amonabande nigarise Selina Munyangi Marceline Nyaboke kurwa kurwa Kisumu, Delphine Mora, Agnes Gesare kurwa Malaba, Jared Ombaso kurwa USA, Martha Kirubo, Linus Aruya kurwa Nairobi na Brian Oyugi. Nigare korera ya Nyagusira Kenanda, Nyagusira Anyango, Naftal Ondari na Ouko Nabande. Nigare Isabiara George Philip, Sebastian, Dan na Fen Mora. Nigare Sukuro ya Fen, Dina, Kenanda, Robert, Austin, Isabella, Penzi, Joseph, Edward, Ayub, Magdalene, Adeline, Brighton na Kwambuka. Omochango ye ni gorabe chitariki 25 echomutinyu 10 bwo mwaka w'ibukiri 2022 ari yasenka yaye asekinyoro gya Kyogoro. Omobero ye ni gora rusiwe asenkendu ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital chitariki 20